Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the place where our new FPV pilot is filming. Come, follow me. Simulator is an important part of training. In our stations, there are a total of 8 different simulators that allows our students to practice their flying skill without the need to crash any drones. This is our indoor arena. This arena allows our students to practice basic drone maneuvers safely without the need to go under rain or shine. This is our specially designed training drone. This drone is also packed with a number of safety features that is crucial for our training of students, particularly outdoor. This course is not just about learning to fly. It aims to kickstart your journey as a FPV pilot. As a pilot ourselves, we want to impart what we know. We offer discounts to our students so they can have their first high-quality FPV drone. And we build a community where they can regularly meet up for FPV flight, to share our flight experience, to improve our flying skills, and to enjoy activity together so our students doesn't need to keep the passion going alone. Hey guys, today we have a mass FPV gathering. Come, check this out. So to join us, I hope to see you soon at our FPV classes.